Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to type around a circle in Affinity. First of all, make sure you're in the vector persona. Then go to the rectangle tool and choose the ellipse tool. Click and drag while holding shift to create a perfect circle. Next, select the fill and set it to none, so we only see the stroke. Now grab the artistic text tool. When the cursor icon changes, that means we're about to type on the path. If you stay above the line, you'll type on the outside of the circle. If you move the cursor inside the circle, you'll type on the inside. Let's click on the outside and type shortcut best YouTube channel. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Press T to go back to the artistic text tool. You'll notice two small triangles, a green one and a red one. The green triangle is the start point and the red one is the end point. Let's drag them around to position the text exactly where we want it. We also have the baseline option here. If you bring it down, the text moves higher. If you increase it, the text drops to the inside of the circle. And that's how you easily type around a circle in Affinity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Shortcut.